Hey guys, welcome back to Time Machine Scale Models. Well, I finished my holy grail. I finally got the Johann 1966 AMC Marlin completed today, and I don't think it looks too bad. Now granted, I still have never built a perfect model, and this one has its flaws too, but I think it came out really good. But you guys can be the judge of that. In a couple seconds, I'm going to show you what I've done. Then you could leave a comment down below and tell me what you think. So without further ado, stay tuned. Alright guys, here it is. I'll give it a couple beauty twirls for you so you can get a 360 view. But I don't think it turned out too bad. I'm pretty proud of this one, guys. You guys know that I use MCW enamels. The lighter color is Seafoam Turquoise Metallic. The darker color is Tahoe Turquoise Metallic. And I'm pretty proud of it. A lot of BMF, guys. A lot of BMF, and it gave me fits. Now, I've done builds that had a tremendous amount of BMF, like the 57 Chevy, the 60 Starliner, etc. And I can't recall a build ever giving me such a hard time with the BMF. And mostly it was just those C channels that were around those windows. I just had to figure out a better way to do it. Let's take a look at this 327 under the hood. I did not plumb and wire under the hood. I just used a lot of paint detail and stuff like that. And, you know, did it as close to replicate stock, what a stock one looks like. So it didn't turn out too bad. Alright, so I did paint the center of the hood ornament aqua, but it's probably hard to see. So the aqua surrounds the Marlin on the hood ornament, and you can see it better on the gas spiller back here on the trunk. Back here, I kind of like it. It looks pretty good. Take a look at the tail end. And I didn't put the license plates, the Michigan license plates, on it just yet. I also need to paint the door handles because I didn't BMF them. So I'm going to end up painting them, probably with Molotow. That side mirror wasn't part of the kit. Those came from Justin Hart last year for the USAC group build, and I figured since I had a few of them still hanging out that I would do it. Obviously, I drilled a hole in the door there, and that mirror is pinned, so it's not going to go anywhere. So yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with this one, guys. I love the interior on there, the white interior, you know, and chrome accents and stuff like that. The teal flocking on the floor. I don't know if you can see that, but if you go back some videos, you could see it. And that twin stick. Now, here's the thing about this. The kit is a 66 Marlin. Obviously, that's what the box says and everything. But to my knowledge, AMC did away with the twin stick in 1965. I think 65 was the last year they used the twin stick. So I'd have to check with John on that. John is a wealth of knowledge when it comes to the AMC vehicles, especially the Marlins and Ramblers and stuff like that. It's a wealth of knowledge. And now that this is finished, I have to take this over to him. He's going to be stoked to see this thing. So like I said, my friend John, he's getting up there in age, and he's got a few of these cars, and he's got one that needs total restoration, and, you know, and it's an excellent looking car as it is, but it does need full restoration. But I'm pretty sure he'll be stoked to see this. This would make his heart happy. So anyway, guys, that's all I got for this video. There's some stills at the end of this video that you could take a look at. Leave your comments down below and let me know how you think I did. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Happy modeling.